I'm showing you a little bit of my walk today. There's some ravens up there. Somewhere, where are you? Ravens, where are you? Well, I found the blue sky. But not the ravens, I know they're up there. There's several. And this is a little street I go down, which I think is very pleasant. There's a few people out and we stay away from each other and we might chat a little bit from 6 feet apart. Because human beings get lonely, huh? And they're grown-ups. I did see some kids playing basketball in their yard. Here is the mountains. It's a little smoggy today for some reason. I don't know why. You can hear the ravens. They're little birds. Those are the same mountains near our school. So you can hear lots of birds. This is a happy April day for them. They don't have a pandemic, so they don't care. I don't know if they'd care if they knew. As you can see, fruit trees are getting leaves. The pine trees and the cypress and a lot of other trees are called evergreens. It means they don't lose their needles or their leaves in the winter like others do. And that's pleasant also. Trying to catch a raven, but I'm not. We'll see. I'll give it another few minutes. We'll see if I can catch a raven on video. This is the way I usually walk when I take a walk. There's a raven, sort of. And I'm not walking as fast as we used to walk to the cafeteria and back. We could really move up and down those stairs. I'm telling you what, we were in good shape. So I'm trying to get back. Hear that little bird over there? That's very pleasant. There's several ravens out today, looking around, trying to see what's going on, making their plans. No, they don't have an agenda like we do that we write down, but you better believe they have an agenda. Yes. Nature's organized, and the birds communicate through all the different sounds. And this is the busiest season, I think, for them, because they're working on their nests, etc. Finding a good spot, finding food. If you look, some other snowy mountains in the distance, and another walker. So, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Finish my walk. Thank you. Bye-bye.